Hello guys, today I'm going to make a ramen omelette with the leftover ramen from yesterday. So, ramen, ramen, an egg. Now break it and add the full egg, no separation of the egg yolk and the egg white. Very good. Add some chopped onions, some chopped coriander leaves, slice the chili horizontally, add some grated processed cheese, oops, yes. Now mix them well until and unless you got a creamy texture as shown in the video. So sorry friends, I'm actually suffering from fever, so you may hear some kinds of unusual noise. Yes, let's get to the kitchen. Okay, add some butter on a pan, and if you want, add some more butter, because the more butter you add, the more tastier it will be. And you know, I have very much cravings for tasty things. Oh my god, I have made it like a slow motion video. Now pour the mixture on the pan. Yes. Now cover it with a lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, check whether it is fully cooked or not from one side. Now, as per I can see that it has not been fully cooked from the one side, because you can see there is a slight little breakage from the sides of the omelette. So we have to let it cook for another 3 minutes. Again cover it with the lid. After 3 minutes, now you can see that it has been finally cooked, and flip it. It has been really cooked from one side. Now let the other side to get cooked for another more 5 minutes. Now you can see the other side is nicely cooked. Sorry, I have already told that I am suffering from fever, so I can't talk more in this video. Sorry for that. Now serve the omelette on a plate. Okay, I have fixed it. Yes. Aye. Now garnish the omelette with some tomato ketchup evenly spread, and add some grated processed cheese. Eee. Yummy. Time to test. Yummy. And here it is, ramen omelette. Please like, share, subscribe and follow.